Okay, so creating arrays in programming languages. So we're going to start off with JavaScript. JavaScript. So like our other variables, we start with the keyword var, and then the name of our array. Say, my friends. An equal sign, and then the opening square bracket. And then inside, first is Bob. Now I've put Bob in quotes because it's a string data type. So those need to be in quotes. Typically you can use single or double quotes. I'm using double quotes because it's easier for you to see. But you could use single quotes as long as whatever you open with is what you end with. That's the most important thing. So Bob's the first element in the array. Then comes a comma, quotes, Sue, quotes, another comma, and the final friend is Ben. We end the array with a closing square bracket and end the statement with a semicolon. So we've created the my friends array. Now to access it, as we showed earlier, we refer to the variable name, my friends. Use the square brackets for a close-up of that array, a semicolon at the end, and then the index of the friend you want to access. Again, remembering that indexes start at 0. So if we wanted to get Ben, we would say, my friends, the index of 2. And that gives us Ben. My friends 1 gives us Sue. My friends 0 gives us Bob. So that's JavaScript. Moving on to PHP. So, as with the other variables in PHP, starts with a $sign. I'm going to say we'll create an array of fruits. So we get the equal sign. Now PHP needs the keyword array to let it know that you're going to create an array. So you literally write the word array. Now it's a little different from JavaScript, and then it uses a round bracket to open the array. And then inside it, just as before, you can create your items separated by a comma. Apple. Close it with a round bracket. The statement ends with a semicolon. Just as with JavaScript, you refer to the variable name, square bracket, and the index. So fruits 1 gives us 0, 1, apple. That's PHP. Now C# is different, as you may guess. It's going to ask us, we need to declare what type of data we're going to put inside the array. So that is what we start with. In this case, we're going to create colors. And so those words, of course, are a string data type. So we start with the data type, string. And then we put our square brackets, open and close, to let C# know we are creating an array. Then comes the name of the array, my colors, equals. Now for C#, it uses the curly braces, those guys, as the bookends for its array. Similarly, things inside, it's a string, so it's in quotes, separated by a comma. Blue. Closing curly brace, semicolon to end the statement. So that's creating the array in C#. The good news is that we can access it just like the others. My colors, square brackets, and then the index value. In this case, let's say 0, and that gives us red. So that's creating and accessing arrays in the 3 different programming languages. Thanks for watching this tutorial.